Our embroidered Super Duty nylon mesh American flag offers the benefits of our nylon flags with the added durability of our 2-ply poly flags and will outlast them both. A nylon flag is that standard, lightweight flag that you're probably most familiar with. Nylon flags fly nicely in even the lightest wind speeds. The thicker material makes our polyester flags stronger and more durable than our nylon flags. Mesh flags are unique. They're a combination of both nylon and polyester, but with a twist. Our nylon mesh flag is lightweight, durable, and looks and feels like a jersey material. This flag comes in many sizes ranging from 4x6 all the way up to 30x60. They're made from 100% nylon to ensure a tough but lightweight flag to fly high and proud in the sky. These are specially treated to resist sun and chemical deterioration. They are shiny and water repellent for the extra strength and durability for a long-lasting nylon flag. Each Super Duty nylon mesh American flag has embroidered stars, double-stitched stripes, a durable header, and attached brass grommets for connecting to the flagpole. These American flags are made in the USA and meet our high-quality standards. These nylon mesh American flags are manufactured to precise specifications. Authentic seals and designs are always in correct proportion to the flag size. Our dye process duplicates complex emblems with exact accuracy with brilliant, fast colors. These flags are expertly crafted using 100% heavyweight nylon bunting. With our nylon mesh American flag prices starting at only $85, how could you pass up one of our top sellers of the American flag? Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions about these flags. Our expert professional staff are always happy to assist you. Give us a call at 888-735-5591 or visit our website at flagpolesetc.com.